is what you were supposed to shoot. His first crayon marks.
Good. Oh, let me see. You were making a drawing today?
Yeah, he was.
Who helped you make the drawing?
Paloma.
Paloma.
Paloma made your drawing. That's it, Daddy.
I'm ferocious. Say it. I am ferocious.
Ven acá.
Grab me. Grab the camera. Grab the camera. It's mine. It's mine. It's mine. No, it's mine. No, it's mine. Give it back to me. Give it back to me. Yeah.
Wow.
I want it.
Oh my God. Get ready.
Alright, camera. There goes the camera.
Get ready.
Look.
Oh.
Somebody's chewing on the camera. It goes straight into this little mouth.